What is hell, folks? Welcome to the channel. I'm just doing good, you feel me? So, in the last video, you saw me get some head. I got this head here, and it's a B18 OBD1 LS non-v-tec head. Came out on 94 Integra. I'm just gonna hop into tearing this thing apart. But first, I'm gonna clean up my workspace again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop off all these tins. Alright, so I got both the camshafts out there with the cam gears still connected. I got the rocker arm assembly out, laid out the way I took it out. And you don't really have to do that actually. It's got a label on the middle of the rocker arm assembly, starting with E6, working your way down to E1. So that's the exhaust side. And then intake side has an eye on it, and it does the same thing. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take these valve stem tips, I think that's what they're called. Some of them already kind of fell loose, but I'm also going to take these out and put them back in the same order that I took them out. So this is the valve keeper tool that I'm going to be using. It is part number 36050. Alright. What a dumb I am. Alright, so I think this piece right here is just for installing the keepers, and I think you're supposed to just use this end right here and kind of like mallet it, you know, and it just popped right off. So I feel really stupid right now. Look, both valve keepers are inside there. I am a complete idiot. The rest of this video is going to go by really fast. Words cannot express how stupid I feel right now. But that's why I'm here, folks. I'm here to look stupid so you don't have to. So what I'm going to do here is just get these vice grip needle nose grippy boys here, and then get it on the crown. Make sure like I have like the tip of the vice grip on the crown of it. It'd probably be easier if you just popped off the little O-ring there, but I think I can get away with just wiggling it like a loose tooth like that, so you get that cap off of there. It's exposed. The valve can leave now. I'm pretty sure you can just remove the valves after removing the keeper, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh boy. Oh boy. I do not know, you guys. That's pretty gnarly. I just hope the guides aren't messed up. Here's a little carnage action here. What I'm dealing with as far as the valves go. I might just try to get away with hitting with a wire brush wheel tomorrow, but we'll see. Alright, so the last thing you want to do is get these the bottom parts of the retainer out. I use a little hook pick tool like this, and then I can just lift them on out. Alright, what time is it? It is 4:53, and I have finally completed the teardown for this head here. I have all the springs and retainers and all the seals or seats or whatever matched up to the corresponding valve. Alright, so let's flip this over. This is like one of those commercials. Day 1 on meth. Day 7 on meth. Day 28 on meth. 6 months on meth. Meth. Not even once. Yeah.